now return you to regular programming.
Welcome back. You have just seen the first ever national test of the emergency alert system. It was done to make sure the system works the way it should.
Code test of emergency alert system capabilities. This test message has been initiated by National Alert and Warning Authorities in coordination with emergency alert system participants, including broadcast, cable, satellite, and wireline participants in your area. Has this been an actual emergency?
Okay, the test is over.
It's either over or didn't work. I'm not sure which.
Let's hope it's just over.